Most people think of Best Buy as a retailer, which we certainly are, but we have these unique capabilities and these unique teams behind the scenes that create these experiences that builders are really looking for. Best Buy Business Builder Program is the best kept secret within Best Buy. We touch on smart home, IoT, services, appliances, project management, anything that you would want to help to bring these projects to life.
The project management office supports projects across many environments, ranging from single-family homes, apartments, and student housing.
We're seeing a paradigm shift in the industry around technology. There's this growing interest and understanding of what value it now can create, and there's this huge opportunity for services to fill that.
We have installation services ranging from doorbell or smart lock installations all the way to refrigerators and everything in between.
In the home building industry, one of the issues that we run across is most of our supply chains are very local to the market. Century Communities builds in 17 states across the country. We're looking for a partner that could go to all of those locations, provide training, logistics, anything that we needed for our customer to get great customer satisfaction.
Over 70% of the United States are within 15 minutes of a Best Buy.
They're close to every one of our communities, and they can reach out with ease to support our customers.
At Letson Construction, we've built probably 3,700 different homes, apartments, office buildings all over California, all the way to the Oregon border. Best Buy Business supplies all of our appliances. They're doing the research to find what is the best model, the best manufacturer at this particular time for any given price point, from Insignia all the way up to the top, the luxury stuff. Best Buy does everything.
Entrada as a company provides services to the multifamily industry or apartment communities. We partnered with Best Buy Business on several thousand units to be able to install IoT and provide procurement services via our vendor access product.
IoT in the MDU space is very unique. Geek Squad City has been a huge part of this. We take all of the product and we centralize it and we kit it at a central location, and then they ship it out to the sites.
We have created a consistent and standardized process for all of our multi-dwelling installations. At any given moment, we have multiple projects and installations that are going on across the country.
There's a ton of coordination that happens. Our project design team and our project management team works very closely on site with the teams that understand the schedules that need to be met and the timing that we're working through.
Best Buy Business did a great job of putting together all the logistics.
One person covers every project I build, whether it's picking out appliances or an issue with an appliance or a price on appliances. One simple contact.
We make it easy. There's a single point of contact, so whether you're in California or on the East Coast, we have a single point that helps bring all this together.
It's a very well-oiled machine. They're able to execute very efficiently.
It leaves very little room for it not to be successful.
They have really allowed us the ability to scale that product to a level that we wouldn't have been able to do as a business, and it's really an honor to be able to have them as an extension of our brand.
Best Buy is one of my favorite contractors. They've been very flexible. They've been very understanding.
And over the years with Best Buy Business, no matter where I'm getting appliances, their integrity and honesty and their dedication is above most of the people.
They've been a partner from the beginning, and as new challenges have come up, we've been able to resolve them quickly and efficiently.
We so many times have techno stress, but the way technology can be used inside these buildings or inside homes or these common spaces can help enable their lives. It can help make their lives better, and it's a rewarding experience to watch.